Up next, we do have the power of youth. We have Sadio.
My name is Sadio Kone, and I'm 8 years old. My dad is from Mali, and my mom is from California. I was born here in Bloomington. I love my black skin, and I love being black. But being black can also be scary. In my lifetime, I've seen the killing of Tamir Rice, who was not much older than I am today, the killing of Trayvon Martin, and the killing of George Floyd. I also have experienced racism from adults and children right here in Bloomington. These lives matter just as much as my life matters today. I use my own voice to call the district attorney in Minneapolis and ask for justice. And I need teachers and adults in our community to stand up for Black lives, to teach about racism, and to be anti-racist. I know that young people can make a difference in this community, and I decided to work with the Banneker Center to support Black lives here in Bloomington. When I found out about the creation of Black Lives Matter mural, I decided to raise money for this event. I was told by some that this was a political statement. This is not a political statement. This is a reminder to our community that my life matters and other children like me matter. I was able to raise over $600 and get donations from Rainbow Bakery and Hopscotch Coffee. Getting all that support made me feel like the white people donating would be willing to stand up for me and the Black community in my Black community. When I'm riding my bike around town and I see a Black Lives Matter sign, it makes me feel safe. It makes me feel empowered that I can live freely in this world. This mural is more than a statement. This mural is commitment to make Bloomington a safe place for Black people, not just to survive, but to thrive. Black Lives Matter means investing in our youth. That means desegregating our neighborhoods and our schools. It means making after-school activities free and providing transportation. It means making our streets and parks clean with sidewalks. It means making home ownership possible for all families. Black Lives Matter means that Bloomington invests money into our lives and our joy, not into our fear.
Oh, wow. The youth has spoken. In such words of courage, Sadio, thank you. Thank you. It's like you're waking us up and you're letting us know where we are, what we need to do, and where we're going to go under your leadership. I think one mistake we do make as people and out of love, we tell our youth that they are the future, and I beg to differ. With words like that, there's no way you can be the future because you are the present. You are the now. You are making a statement today. Wow. Just very, very powerful. I think we should keep this person's name on our list of people to look out for because he has a mission. And I think it's our duty, as he is charging us, it is our duty to make sure that he is as safe as possible so he can execute as well as possible. Thank you so much again.